This week marks 30 years since the murders of Harry and Megan Tooze at their farmhouse in Llanharry. The case remains undetected, and today I can announce that a forensic review of the case is to take place. South Wales Police will be working alongside forensic scientist Dr Angela Gallop, and together we hope the latest forensic techniques will assist detectives in finding a breakthrough and deliver justice for Harry and Megan. This review will focus on exhibits to determine if there is potential for further forensic testing. As is usual in such reviews, no outcomes can ever be guaranteed. Harry and Megan's family have been informed of our work and will be kept updated. Even with this passage of time, I appeal to anyone who has any information about the murders to come forward and speak to police. This case has affected many people over many years, and our aim is to find the answers to the unanswered questions which remain about their deaths 30 years on.